Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Automatic Gateman, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project can be used to develop your own modified gateman with the help of Raspberry Pi 4, a Pi camera, and an ultrasonic sensor. The objective of this project is to automate the system on the entry gate and also prevent unauthorized people from entering the gate. Whenever the car approaches the barrier, the automatic speaker asks the driver to slow down and maintain a 4-meter distance. A camera reads the car registration plate and searches for the same in the database. If it is found, the gate opens. And if some new resident or guest has arrived, then save the number in the database. If the car does not belong to any new resident or guest, the gate will remain closed. The components used are Raspberry Pi 4 as a computer, Raspberry Pi camera to check the number plate of the car, power supply to power up the Raspberry Pi 4, camera extension cord to reach the car easily, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor to know if the car has arrived, and 7 inches touchscreen for Raspberry Pi 4. The last component is optional. Let us see the demonstration of this project. You can see a car with number plate has arrived. The camera take a picture of the number plate and compare it with database. Match is found. Hence, found in the pool is displayed on the output terminal. Over here, we have created a prototype also. You can see when we show the picture of a car that is there in a database to the camera, the relay turns on, indicating the gate is open for the car to enter. Interested in developing your own automatic gateman? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.